Today, we're spilling the tea about the top 10 home security systems of 2022 to make it easy for you to compare systems and see which ones are a good match for your security needs. I'll give you the real deal on each security system we picked as a favorite. You'll get the best thing about each system, the worst thing, and I'll tell you who each system is the perfect match for. And don't forget that you can get the full story in our comprehensive roundup on safewise.com. Let's get to it. Vivint is our overall best system of 2022. We love that Vivint uses its smart, innovative tech savvy to make security, well, more secure. Our favorite feature right now is the Smart Deter lurker detection on its outdoor cameras. We all know porch pirates and other lurkers have gotten a lot more brazen, even when cameras are present. This feature works to proactively shoo those creepers away, and you don't need to be home to yell at them yourself. The camera does it all for you. However, Vivint's cutting-edge, award-winning tech doesn't come cheap, but the best things rarely do. That said, choosing Vivint to watch over your home is still cheaper than a burglary. A basic Vivint system can protect your home for 3 years for just over $2,000, but burglary victims lose an average of $2,600 per incident. Vivint is the right pick for anyone looking for high-end, high-tech, first-class, forget about it, home security. This is full-service home security that you don't have to worry about once it's installed. If you want home security that doesn't require you to lift a finger, Vivint should be at the top of your list. FrontPoint is our high-end DIY pick. FrontPoint lets you have your cake and eat it too. It's really the best of both worlds. FrontPoint is a DIY home security system, but it's not scaled down or oversimplified. You can get all the bells and whistles of a full-service home security system. That means a vast array of equipment options to protect both the inside and outside of your home. Plus, you get all the perks of self-install. That means no appointments, no waiting, and no strangers in your home. One of the most attractive things about DIY home security is that it usually comes with a smaller price tag. FrontPoint comes in at the top end of the spectrum when it comes to monthly monitoring fees, but they include everything you want at one price point. So you're not going to get nickeled and dimed to have features like mobile app access, smart home control, and video monitoring. FrontPoint is the perfect match if you like the freedom and flexibility of DIY, but don't want to sacrifice equipment options or features. Plus, if you're a SafeWise reader, you get a special monitoring deal that you can't find anywhere else. On top of giving us plenty of chuckles thanks to their spokesburglar, Rob, SimpliSafe delivers straightforward, affordable home security, and our readers love it. Our favorite thing is that it's super easy to shop online, pick out your system, order it, and then get it up and running once it's delivered. There aren't any pushy salespeople, and you aren't forced into a phone call to order your system. I really like that. Plus, its cheap monthly monitoring comes without contracts, and you can start or stop it anytime you want with zero hassles. Simplicity is great and all, but it comes with limitations too. We've consistently been disappointed at SimpliSafe's options to protect the outside of your home. Thankfully, they finally added a true outdoor camera to their lineup, a must in my book for being proactive about keeping burglars and other miscreants away. But again, SimpliSafe is true to form, and this is a very basic, simple outdoor cam. You can't adjust sensitivity, create zones, or block out privacy areas. SimpliSafe is the right match for home security newbies, renters, and people living in apartments or smaller properties where outdoor security isn't a top priority. It's also ideal for affordable, no strings attached home security that you're in charge of. Cove is our pick for the best customer experience. Cove is one of the only home security systems with a lineup of perks for its customers. Cove's Equipment Rewards program lets you upgrade to the latest and greatest Cove equipment for free. Plus, Cove is one of only 2 of our favorite security systems that offers a lifetime equipment warranty without making you pay anything extra. And, can you believe there's even more? You get a rate lock guarantee, so your monthly monitoring fees are never going to go up. Plus, if you decide to cancel, you can cancel. No muss, no fuss. And best of all, no pricey punishments. Now, before you get all grossed out by my gushing over Cove, there's one area we'd really like to see them expand: smart home compatibility. If you're looking for a security system that integrates with all of your smart home gizmos and gadgets, you're going to be disappointed. Cove doesn't currently have any Z-Wave, Zigbee, or if this then that integration. That means it's not easy to make this system work with other security helpers like smart locks and smart thermostats. Pick Cove to protect your home if you want a home security company that really puts you first. And on top of the perks I noted, Cove also includes upgraded alerts and emergency assistance that gets you the help you need faster. What more could you want? ADT is far and away the most experienced home security system on our list. ADT is old school in a lot of ways, and that's a really good thing if you don't want to spend a bunch of money up front to protect your home. Because ADT offers contracts that include your equipment costs, you can get into an ADT system without paying anything more than the installation fee. And that usually comes in around $100. That's music to our ears and to anyone who needs to get a system fast but doesn't have a lot of cash to drop, especially if you've recently had a prowler or got burgled. But contracts are a bit of a double-edged sword. Yes, they basically wipe out upfront costs, but they require commitment, and they can cost you in the back end if you want to break up with ADT down the line. When you pick ADT, you pick a mandatory 3-year contract too. And if you change your mind, you're on the hook for 75% of the remaining balance on your term. ADT is a no-brainer if you want a company with decades of experience protecting the homes of millions of customers all around the world. You can get ADT up and running quickly and with a minimal out-of-pocket cost, but that comes with a contract, so make sure you know what you're getting into. Abode is our pick for security plus smart home integration. Abode is the only home security system on our list that lets you connect with almost any smart device out there, including Apple HomeKit. But Abode's smart home security comes in a pretty compact package, which can limit its functionality for a larger home with multiple floors and lots of outside space to cover. In our book, Abode is perfect for small properties, think apartments and dorms, and anyone who wants their home security system to work with their Apple HomeKit, or basically any other smart ecosystem. Ring Alarm is our pick for best outdoor cams. As most of you know, I think security cams are king when it comes to home security, and Ring is the supreme ruler when it comes to security camera innovation. It all started with the Ring doorbell cam, and now you can choose from simple indoor cams to outdoor ones decked out with motion sensor floodlights. The only bummer with Ring's big array of cameras is that none of them are included in its Ring Alarm security kits. You need to add on any security cams ranging from $100 to $200 a piece, and that can make your upfront cost skyrocket. Ring is a great choice if you want basic home security with a lot of camera options and fairly cheap, no contract monthly monitoring. Just watch out for those add-ons when you're putting your system together. Blue by ADT is our pick for optional monitoring. A lot of systems say you can monitor them yourself, but still require some kind of fee to use the mobile app. Not Blue by ADT. If you want to monitor your alerts and alarms and call for help yourself, you have full access to do so. While we love that you get the full mobile app from Blue no matter what, there are some ongoing issues with the app. So make sure you're willing to put up with some glitches before you click buy. If you want a DIY home security system backed by a heavy hitter like ADT, Blue is your perfect match. We also like that you can truly monitor the system on your own or add ADT's 24/7 monitoring for just $20 a month. Wyze is our budget pick, and how? Hands down, Wyze has the cheapest monthly monitoring price on the market. You get 24/7 professional monitoring for just $5 a month. $5. But with prices that low, something's gotta give. And in this case, it's cellular backup support. So that means if your Wi-Fi goes down, so does your security system. If your top priority is price, then you can't beat Wyze. Not only does it have the least expensive monitoring, but its equipment is also really affordable. You can get into a starter kit for under $100. Brinks is the security system on our list with the most safety sensor options. With Brinks, you can cover literally every inch of your home. On top of the usual motion and entry sensors, Brinks has multiple options that detect everything from glass vibrating to the temperature and humidity in your home. Now, Brinks goes old school when it comes to contracts. There is no way to get Brinks home security without making a 3-year commitment. And if you want to cancel, you'll owe the full remaining balance of your contract term. For people looking to monitor more than the front door, Brinks has a slew of safety sensors to choose from, making it the ideal fit for your needs. Whew, that was a lot of information, but I really hope the highs and lows that we shared for each brand got you closer to your perfect home security match. To get all the details on every brand we rank, you can watch our individual reviews when you subscribe to this channel, and you can see side-by-side comparisons on Safewise.com. As always, until I see you again, stay safe.